So in this video we are checking what is diffuse mapping. Okay, so diffuse mapping is a fundamental texturing technique in 3D graphics, so which is used to define the base color and surface detail of a model. Okay, so it is the most common type of texture map, by the way. And what it does, obviously, like diffuse map is a 3D image, okay, as you can see here, that wraps around a 3D object. Right now this particular image that we created from last video, that is like seamless texturing, so we created a seamless texture here. Okay, diffuse map, it tells the renderer what color each point on the surface of a model should be under a natural lighting. Okay, so this is a diffused mapping. Okay, right now I have this particular seamless texture that I created, and you can see this particular cube. Okay, and now what I will do as a diffuse mapping, I will select this particular object and I will go to shading. Okay, right now you can see a material is added. If in case the material is not added, then what you can do, you can add a new one. Okay, so the material is added, then what I will do, I will select this one, then I will hit Ctrl T, so that image texture it will add. Right now you can see the image texture is added, and I will try to add the image. Here is the image and I will open the image. Now the image is attached, and what I will do, I will come to this particular scaling on the map, and as you can see, I just selected everything by dragging this and I will take it back. Okay, now we can see the texture is added, and let me rotate this one on Z direction by 90. Now this is how it is. So this is the diffuse mapping. Okay, and it will tell the renderer what exactly the color of this particular object. Fine, so that's why instead of image, I will rename this one as image underscore diffuse. Okay, and let me try to open this one. Now this is what it is. And one more thing about diffuse mapping is, like, if I check this one, it will just tell what exactly the color of this object. Okay, but if you check properly, we don't have any depth or shadows in this one, so it's just like a image is wrapped around the object. So this is the diffuse mapping, and what we will do, we will use some other mapping like normal, bump, then displacement, such mapping, in order to give more depth and shadows and the realistic feeling for this object. So those things we will check in upcoming video.